Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for 18 April 2021. Let's see what's in there. Colorful flower count. Wow, what a pleasant day. In a garden, there are n flower plants in a row. There are three types of plants which are given below. Type 1, red. It will give flower every day. Type 2, green. It will give flower every 2 days. Type 3, blue, will give flower for every 3 days. Initially, there are no flower in n plants. Okay, the program must accept n characters denoting the colors of n plants and n integer denoting the maximum number of flowers that the plant can give. Okay, that's meaningful. The program must print the total number of flowers in each row that the gardener can get in T days. Okay, that's it. First, we have 4 flower pots and the flowers are red, green, red, blue. Red can give maximum of 10 flowers, green can give maximum of 5 flowers, this one can give only 5 flowers, this part too. We have 7 days, we have to calculate how many flowers it can give on the 7th day. Total count. Okay, day 1 we will get 2 flowers. Yeah, this red, this red. Day 2 we will get 2 red flower and 1 green flower. Okay, I feel if I should explain it practically, that will be meaningful. Let me take you to my clone world. Here is my clone world. Welcome to you guys. Here we have 4 flowers, which is nothing but red, green, red, blue. There are 10 red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here we will calculate the red, red, green, blue count. The green flower contains what? 5 flowers. Green will bloom twice, mean between with the 2 interval days, right? Interval of 2 days. Man. So we will don't get anything here. We get one here. Here we won't. Here we will. Here we won't. Here we will. Won't. Will. Won't. Will. 5 flowers, the maximum the green can provide. Now it's time for red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. The maximum of red is 5 here. It can't give much more flower than that. Now it's time for blue. Blue will give flowers every 2-day interval, right? First we won't get anything. Here also we won't get anything. Here we will get one. Here we won't. Here we won't. Here we will get one. The total number of days is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? We don't have to consider this part. We can omit it. We just have to focus on this one. First, on day 1, we got only 2 reds. On day 2, we will get 2 red and 1 green. 2 red, 1 green. It's Bree. Here we will get 2 reds and 1 blue. 2 red, 1 blue. 2 red and 1 green. 2 red and 1 green. Here we will get 2 red alone. Here we will get 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue. 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue. Here we will get only 1 red. The total sum is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. This is 3. Here it is 2. Here we got the output. Red is 12, green is 3, and blue is 2. This is how we have to solve the question. Let's think something programmatically now. What are the things we need to focus on? N, which is nothing but number of flower types. Here is the list of flowers, right? We can give list of map of incoming lit. Okay, that's different. This for max flowers, the limit, flower limit, we can set that. Flower limit. What was that? Here the flowers are input, that's lit. Then we need something, the days, right? T days, which is nothing but an input, integer input. That's it. We have done with the input parts. Now we need some variable for red count. Initially it was 0, blue count 0, green count 0. Now we have to iterate for 7 days, right? Which is nothing but t days. I in range of t. If I need some helper here, j equal to 0. Okay, what now? What next? If I have to iterate twice here for j in range of n, number of flowers. Red will give every day, right? If uh, flower of J equal to R and flower limit of J greater than 0, then we can add red count plus equal to 1 and flower limit of J minus equal to 1. We have to reduce the count, right? Maximum. Then if flowers of J equal to green, green will give flower for every 2 days, right? Here the okay, yeah, we need the base condition for everything just the same, and we need one more, like I plus 1 modulo mod 2 equal to 0. Like it will give every 2 days, right? It need interval of 2 days, which is nothing but even or odd days. Then you can increase the green count 1, flowers limit of that J minus equal to 1. Hope you will guess the what condition and limits for third one, blue. If flowers of J exactly equal to blue and it doesn't cross its maximum limit and I plus 1 modulo 3 equal to 0, then you can increase the blue count, as well as you have to decrease the limit of blue. Print red count, blue count and green count. Tada! Hope it will work fine, but spit spill it. Built-in function has no. Oh my god, how dumb I am. This is so this why I mean this error, because we can insert or store input. I can like we can give array name for input. For example, I equal to input, then we can use I directly here. Like instead of input we can use our own customized word here. It will work. That's why it's showing, because without this curly braces it's not a function, it's just a keyword. So we can split a keyword, right? That's why this error comes. And here is a bonus tip: you can store methods in a variable and you can use it. You can use some emojis there. Here we got 12 what 2 3. Yeah, I just RGB, right? RBG, not. Okay, my ultimate aim is to get a RGB gaming keyboard through this YouTube channel. How funny is it? That's it, guys. I hope this will crack every Here's a code for your view. Like here I didn't did anything much. Just 4 inputs and I'm just using that. So with this means we have one liner today. Let's try. Okay guys, I think I have to make some one liner in a separate video because it's like some people will like one liner, some people don't. So if you guys don't like one liner, just skip this part because the one liner part always will be some nasty ununderstandable code for beginners. Here what I need, lambda always. This is the input for lambda n. The variables for lambda is n, flowers, flower limit, t days. How I'm passing the values, int of input of, then input split of, list of, map of in comma input, that split of, int input. So what I have to print is like I have to print this one. This is nothing but a list. I can't do that with a single list, I guess. Like I can do the thing for red color alone with this one, for I in range of t, for j in range of n, if flowers of j equal to red and flower limit of j greater than or smaller than I. Hope this will give 12 for me. No, means I have messed with some syntax. End of the line while reading. This time I have messed with the input part alone. I am specifying it. Stuff map of input. This one is for input. This is for sum. Hope everything is looking fine. Yeah, it seems fine. Now the same error means I have missed somewhere else. First I need integer input, then I need flowers, right type of flower. Then I have to pass the list of integer, which is nothing but which is representing the limit, right? List of map of in comma input that split then integer input, which is nothing but t. Oh, I got that. Like this time I have forgotten to comment this line. That's why it's showing that error. And that's the only reason why I comment this given code while doing onliner, because it messes with the input. This time I will get 12 if my code was correct. 1. That's great. But why? Like the limit should be greater, right? Yeah, that's what I messed with. This time I'm sure I'll get that in because I have included equal here. You all know it will give 12. Yes, it is. Now I have to write the logic for blue. 1 for I in range of t, for j in range of n, if flowers of j equal to blue, and flower limit of j uh, uh, into 2, I guess, into 2 greater than I. Like if the given flower is 5, on second day it will do something like 5 to 10. Yes, this will give something. Also I plus 1 modulo 2 equal to 0. This will give something tolerant 3. But I have to do this for green. Yeah, if it is green color, then it will give me 3. See, we got that. Same as we have to do that for green color also. I left this part to you guys because if you guys are watching this, then you believe that you are not a noob coder. You are like, instead of noob grammar, you believe that you are a programmer. This is the way how I will escape. 1 for I in range of T for j in range of N if flowers of I equal to blue and flower limit of j into 3 greater than I. And what was that? Like what? I plus 1 modulo 3 equal to 0. Print of tada. Ooh, that's so scary. List index out of range. No, this is not I, this is j. See, for a single change, instead of I like instead of j I just put I. It showed this much error. These things will happen only in one liner. See, we got the proper output. We made a one liner for this. We made a practical practical representation of like practical explanation for this problem, and we have made a clean code, and then we also made or learned the way to give align name for already defined predefined methods. Hope you will enjoy the video. Now wish me luck. Let the SKILLRACK provide my honorable medal this time. I got that. Thank you guys.